How to turn off Facebook activity tracking. In this video, we'll show you how to stop Facebook from tracking everything you do online and take back control of your privacy. Facebook tracks your activity even when you're not using the app itself, through something called Off Facebook Activity, which helps them target you with ads based on your behavior across different websites and apps. To begin, open the Facebook app and tap on the menu in the bottom right corner. Then, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings. From here, go to the Account Center by tapping on See More in Account Center. On the next page, scroll to the bottom and select Your Information and Permissions. Then tap on Your Activity Off Meta Technologies. To clear your past activity, tap Clear Previous Activity. Confirm that you want to clear the data, which includes any activity linked to your Instagram accounts. Once that's done, go back and select Manage Future Activity, then tap on Disconnect Future Activity to stop Facebook from tracking what you do on other apps and websites. Now, you've successfully stopped Facebook from tracking your activity. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching.